Good morning students and welcome to my new class. So today we are here and we are going to start the chapter 32, that is inspiring personalities. Now here they have given us some personalities, and I am sure even without reading about them, just by looking at their pictures you will be able to identify them because they are so famous. Okay, look at the first one. He led the struggle against apartheid in South Africa and spent 27 years in jail for his political activities. Now, let me first tell you what is apartheid. Apartheid is a kind of a government which does not exist now, but a long time back it existed in South Africa, where the government was based and all the laws were based on caste and creed. So the black people of South Africa were discriminated and were not given their rights. So this gentleman, he led the struggle against apartheid, and he is the very famous one, and he is Nelson Mandela. Now here in the help box they have given you some options. So he is Nelson Mandela, right. Next, move on and look at the second one. He was a Harvard University dropout. Now, dropout means a person who does not complete his education and leaves it in between. So, he was a Harvard University dropout who formed a company that revolutionized the computer industry. And I am sure you can identify him very clearly. And he is Bill Gates. Yes, he is Bill Gates. Moving on to the third one, architect of Dairy Development Program in India named Operation Food. Now, I'm sure you must have studied about him in your books also, because in social studies and other books, especially in social studies and science, they mention him. So, he is Verghese Kurien. Moving on to the fourth one, Tibetan Buddhist monk whose religious name is Tenzin Gyatso established a Tibetan government in exile in India in 1959. A firm believer in compassion, was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his non-violent struggle for the liberation of Tibet. So he is the 14th Dalai Lama, very famous. Next, moving on to the fifth one, former Indian Army soldier and staunch Gandhian, transformed his poor neglected village Ralegan city in Maharashtra into a model village, and as you all can see here, he was in the news for a long time, and I hope you can identify him. Let us see. Yes, he is Kisan Baburao Hazare, and fondly by people he is known as Anna Hazare, right. Moving on to the sixth one, Burmese pro-democracy leader and alumni of Lady Shri Ram College in Delhi. She spent more than 15 years in detention, most of it under house arrest by her country's military rulers. Now, she was also in news for a long time. She is Aung San Suu Kyi. Here, Aung San Suu Kyi. Seventh one, this Indian economist is the Lamont University professor and professor of economics and philosophy at Harvard University, known for his work on the causes of famine. Yes, and he is also very famous. You all must be knowing him. He is Amartya Sen. Yes. Eighth one. I don't think that I have to give you so much details about him. From the very picture of his, you can identify that he is the missile man of our country, and he has been the president of our country from in the year 2002, and he is, what is his name, is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Ninth one, former US Vice President, that is from 1993 to 2001, has deep interest in environmental matters. So he is Al Gore. Here, Al Gore. So I hope that this is clear to you and you'll be able to finish it off very clearly in your books. So have a nice day and keep learning.